I just like the way it sits. Old man and old trucks. You can be poor or you can have luck, yeah. '41 was a hell of a year. Had a Chevy half-ton with a granny gear. Wasn't much to look at, but she sure could run. Had positive traction, could get her done, yeah. Oh man, oh trucks. You could be poor, you can have bucks, but then, oh man, oh trucks. You can be poor, you can have bucks. Had an F-150 in 1956. Used to drive around in the red dirt sticks. Maybe be out fishing, maybe cutting wood, maybe hunting, splitting tail if the fishing ain't good. Oh man, oh trucks. Oh man, oh trucks. Oh man, oh trucks. Trucks for over 50 years. Pedal to the middle, double clutching all the gears. If I go to heaven, if I have that luck, you can tell old St. Pete I've been driving my truck.